Hello everyone, this is Dimitar from the RedmineUP support team. In this video demonstration, I'm going to show you how to install the Drive plugin on a Windows operating system on a Bitnami Stack Redmine. So the very first thing that you have to do is, if you use the Pro version, then you have to enter your license manager and download it there. However, if you use the Lite version, then you have to go to our site and download it from there. So you have to go to plugins and then search for the Drive, and then click on download. Here please do not forget to enable the terms and conditions, otherwise we will not be sent the plugin. If you have some problems with receiving either the Lite or the Pro version, please don't hesitate to contact our support team here at the bottom right corner, and our support engineers will send you the plugin there. Alright, so let's go back and proceed further with the installation. So you have to go now and open your Bitnami Stack Redmine. In my case it is Redmine 5. You have to double click on the manager windows. And then on the Manage Servers tab you have to start all. This will start the database as well as the web server. Okay, so now everything seems to be running, but let's go and check. In my situation, it is a localhost Redmine testing, so that's why is the localhost address here. Please keep in mind that Redmine needs some time to start, so please be patient and keep refreshing. Okay, so our Redmine is now up. We have to scroll down to the information section, and we see our current plugins list here. And at the end of this video, we will have the Drive plugin here installed. So let's proceed further. Please go back to the Downloads folder and extract the archive. Okay, this is our plugin now. So please copy it with Control and C, and go back to your Bitnami Redmine. Now you have to open the Apps folder, and then Redmine folder, and then htdocs, and then Plugins. Here, please paste it. Okay. Now let's go back to the core Redmine folder and open the use Redmine file. Okay, here you have to change the directory to apps Redmine htdocs. The first command that you have to execute here is bundle install. This command is going to install all the required gems for your Drive plugin. Okay, so the next step that you have to do is the migration. It is done with bundle exec rake Redmine plugins Rails and production. Okay, we wait for the migration to start. Okay, we see our migration is now in progress. So it has just finished. The last step is that you have to go back to this window and click on Restart All. So this is needed because all changes are applied after restarting. Okay, so we are now back running. Now let's go and check. As we have already said, Redmine needs some time to start. So that's why we have to be patient again and keep refreshing. Alright, so we see that the Drive plugin is now installed. So we have successfully installed it on Windows operating system on Bitnami Stack Redmine. I hope this video was very helpful for you, and if it was, then you could check other videos and articles of our documentation. So, thank you very much for watching it, and bye bye for now.